Alfredo, I'm going to put some spinach leaves in it to give it some color. So here it goes. I'm going to put it in my pasta. And to make my Alfredo, I add 1 tablespoon of butter. I melted that. I added 1 tablespoon of flour, and I mixed it. And then I added ½ cup heavy whipping cream, a pinch of salt, and I let that cook down while mixing it. And I got, for my noodles to make them, I got a pot of boiling water, broke my noodles in half, and put them in. So now I'm going to show you how a nice way to plate your noodles. So you need a big dinner plate, right here. You got your pasta, right here. You're going to get this. Got your tongs. Going to grab a hold of it. Twirl it around until you have as much as you're going to serve on the plate. Do that. You're going to lay it down right in the middle. And get it off. And you're going to do it again. Grab some. Make sure none of it's going to fall. Put it in the middle of your plate. So now you have your Alfredo on a plate. Let's get a good scoop of this Alfredo sauce. Ooh, looks so good. You got it? Put it like that. And next, I'm going to set this aside for a while. Next, I've got my asparagus. 6 stalks of it. I cut it down to size. Cut the tips off of it. I got 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. I trimmed my asparagus down. I have 1/2 tablespoon of garlic.